Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. We are together again with another testnet video. Today, I will show you how to use the zkLend testnet with our Braavos wallet. Braavos is one of the official wallets for STARKNET, and STARKNET provides zk rollup as a layer 2 network over Ethereum. Soon, we will have more videos about STARKNET, and maybe we can earn airdrops as gifts when the project completes its testnet. If you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications, and join our Telegram community to keep up with upcoming events. Now, let's get started. First, start with how to open a Braavos wallet. You can find the link for this extension below with the other links I will use in this video. Here, click the download button and open your wallet to set a password. After setting up your password, save these words somewhere safe and continue with the Goerli option. Here we need Goerli Ethereum coins for our transactions. So, click this button, choose Ethereum from STARKNET, and copy your wallet address into this box for faucet tokens. However, we will also use a Metamask wallet to send Ethereum coins to our Braavos wallet. If you don't have a Metamask wallet yet, you can watch our Metamask tutorials to learn how to use one. After selecting the Goerli network and copying your wallet address to this box for faucet tokens, you can come back here and send Ethereum from your Metamask to your Braavos wallet. If you don't know how to use the Goerli testnet, you can watch our zkSync tutorials. Now that we have enough Ethereum coins, we can start using the zkLend. Here we have the Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, DAI, and USDT to supply and borrow. Let's start with Ethereum. We need Ethereum for two reasons. First, for the gas fee, and second, for increasing our collateral. Because without collateral, we cannot borrow or supply any other coin. I couldn't borrow USDT because there was not enough liquidity. But try it and it may work for you. After borrowing everything, you must supply them back. And after completing the borrow supply process, click on the dashboard to take a screenshot of your transactions. Later, you can share that screenshot in their Discord channel to provide feedback. You can watch our NFT tutorials to learn how to use Discord for projects to get airdrops. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channels to keep up with our latest videos and upcoming events. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.